السلام عليكم.
عليك.
ماجد.
السلام عليكم. My name Majid.
My name Yusuf. It's our new friend from Pakistan. We are going to test drive.
Welcome. Inshallah, now test drive.
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the front seat of this. This is introduce your vehicle, please.
عرف عليها.
Introduce.
This my bike slingshot.
Again name.
Blue Rise slingshot.
Okay.
This bike, not car.
First bike.
Yes. This is 3-wheel.
3 wheels. Okay.
Yes. This before color black, now been change. I put blue and same here. See. Put flash.
All these things and change you on your own self.
Yes, change. Put see.
Oh, what a beauty!
Yes.
Oh, it's look like a car.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Sunlight is much better.
See?
Oh, this one is also a bike. I think this is a car, but this one is a bike. And my good new friend of UAE have to give me opportunity to join a few minutes with that and drive here on the roads of UAE. Thanking you. Thank you very much.
Driving?
No. I have not a license. Let's we drive for a few minutes.
Inshallah.
Thank you very much. See you too. Happy see you. This is Zaid Mal Masjid, and I'm sitting here from last 3 to 4 days in a apartment with my son, with my wife, and other family members. Alhamdulillah. My friend is very fine driver, and when I have contact with this one in a masjid, I think this is a car, but he told me this is not a car, this is a bike. And good to see you. It's pleasure for me because not possible for me to drive all these things like this one, and having this one is a meter showing, but we are on that roads. Oh yes. All things are very antique, prepared specially for this. Okay, thank you very much. And oh yes, this one is Zaid Mal surrounding area. I stay here since 4th of. Oh yes. Idea. Inshallah, will be on car next time. Inshallah. This is a car engine.
Yes, Malim 4-cylinder.
Okay.
This company comes in USA, American, not China.
American bike.
Yes.
Okay. And you developed it for your own.
Yes.
You are crazy for the different vehicles.
No. All guy change put GMC 6.2 Denali.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. It's very costly.
No,
one.
only original this 4-cylinder.
Traditional four-cylinder, okay.
Put 8-cylinder.
Okay. This is my new friend, and he gave me opportunity to drive, but I'm failed to drive because I have not a license of vehicles to drive in the UAE. So much thankful to my brother. See you next time, inshallah. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you so much. And this come on, my dear. You are my friend and my brother. Look like my son.
Brother.
Thank you.
brother,
Oh, it's a brother.
You are young.
Oh,
are
I'm
young.
young.
Yes.
Oh, I'm in 66.
60 is beginning of young.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this. Thank you so much. Thanks, my dear. Inshallah will be. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah.
Engine car.
This is a car engine.